Welcome. Exothermic reaction and endothermic reaction. For standard 7 to 10. Exothermic reaction. The reaction in which energy is produced, released, or evolved is called exothermic reaction. Some examples of exothermic reaction. When calcium oxide dissolved in water, calcium hydroxide is formed with energy. Glucose reacts with oxygen to form carbon dioxide, water, and energy is evolved. Give some examples of exothermic reaction. Endothermic reaction. The reaction in which energy is absorbed is called endothermic reaction. Some examples of endothermic reactions are: when calcium carbonate is heated, it decomposes to form calcium oxide and carbon dioxide gas is evolved. When lead nitrate is heated, it decomposes to form lead oxide, nitrogen dioxide, and oxygen. When zinc carbonate is heated, it decomposes to form zinc oxide and carbon dioxide. All these are the examples of endothermic reaction. Photosynthesis is also endothermic reaction. Differentiate between endothermic and exothermic reaction. Thank you for watching the video.